Are you tired of manually creating project folders? Does the thought of setting up directories make you frustrated or set fire to your laptop? Well, fear not, my fellow digital warrior, because I have the ultimate solution for you. Behold, the mighty folder creator Python script. Just one click, and boom, your entire project structure is ready faster than you can say CTRL+C. Here's how it works. You run the script and up pops a sleek, minimalistic UI because we keep things classy. You select your Excel sheet, yes, the one where your project folder structure is all neatly planned out. Then, pick your destination. Where do you want your beautifully structured project to live? Take a deep breath and click. Just one click, and watch in amazement as folders magically appear, perfectly arranged, like an army of digital organizers marching into battle. No more right-clicking. No more new folder to new folder, final new folder, seriously final nonsense. This bad boy sets up your project structure like APRO, saving you time, energy, and most importantly, your sanity. Whether you're a small animation studio, a content creator, or just someone who loves order, this script will be your best friend. So, what are you waiting for? Ditch the manual labor and automate like a boss. The Folder Creator script, because setting up folders should be fun, not frustrating.
Introducing the Maya Asset Browser, a simple and efficient tool for quickly referencing assets in Autodesk Maya. Whether you're working with characters, props, or entire sets, this tool helps you stay organized and work faster. When you launch the Asset Browser, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. At the top, there's a customizable header image, which can be replaced with your studio's branding or project-specific artwork. The main section displays a categorized list of assets, directly pulled from your predefined folders. The tool automatically scans for Maya files in folders like characters, props, sets, and set dress. Need multiple assets? No problem. You can select one or multiple assets at once. Just hold down the Ctrl or Shift key and choose the files you want to reference. You can also set the number of instances you want for each selected asset. This is particularly useful when referencing objects like trees, furniture, or repeating environment elements. Once you're ready, just click the Reference Selected Assets button. The tool will automatically bring the assets into your Maya scene, keeping them neatly referenced without unnecessary duplication. With the Maya Asset Browser, managing and referencing assets has never been easier. Speed up your workflow, stay organized, and focus on creativity. Try it today. Welcome to this demo of the Maya Scene Builder tool. This tool automates the process of referencing characters, props, sets, and set dressings based on an Excel sheet, making scene setup faster and more efficient. Once you open Maya, launch the Scene Builder tool. You'll see a simple and intuitive interface where you can enter the episode, season, shot, and sequence numbers. Each of these fields corresponds to specific data in the Excel sheet. The tool uses this information to fetch the necessary assets from predefined folders. With a single click on the Build Scened button, the tool reads the Excel file and automatically references the required assets into the Maya scene. The tool checks the asset folders and references the required characters, props, sets, and set dressings. If multiple instances of an asset are needed, they are added accordingly. the tool follows a structured asset organization. Characters, props, sets, and set dressings are stored in separate folders, making asset management seamless. And here we have the scene automatically built in Maya, ready for animation or further refinement. With this tool, setting up scenes in Maya is quicker and more efficient than ever. Save time, reduce errors, and focus on creativity. If you found this demo helpful, like, share, and follow for more automation tools. Introducing Action Editor, the ultimate add-on for streamlining animation workflow in Blender. Whether you're an animator looking to speed up your workflow or a motion artist managing multiple actions, Action Editor makes transferring keyframe data easier than ever. As soon as you launch the add-on, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. At the heart of the Action Editor are two main sections, the source action and the target action. In a current scene, we have two actions, one is stand and another one is walk. From the source action drop-down, simply select the animation you want to transfer. The add-on will automatically detect and display its start and end frames in the UI. Next, choose your target action, where you want the animation to be transferred. Now, define your preferred start frame for the target action, and with a single click on a transfer action, the keyframes are seamlessly added, without overwriting any existing animation. With Action Editor, you can efficiently manage and repurpose animations, saving time and effort in your animation projects. Try Action Editor today and take your Blender animation workflow to the next level. Welcome to this demo of the Maya Key Adjustment tool, designed to help you adjust animation timing effortlessly. This tool provides 3 powerful features: adjusting key spacing, moving keys forward, and moving keys backward. First, let's select an animated control and open the tool. Here, we can see the keys in the timeline. By using that spacing slider, we can spread or compress the keyframes. Setting a higher value increases the gap between keys, while a lower value compresses them. Let's adjust and see the change. Next, we have the Move Offset slider. We can enter a value and click a Move Keys Forward to shift all keys forward in time, or the Move Keys Backward to bring them back. This makes it easy to retime animations without manually adjusting each key. In just a few clicks, we can refine our animation timing, making workflow adjustments quick and efficient. Try out the Key Adjustment tool today and speed up your animation workflow in Maya.